Kwaku asare V power edi ebeko na yahwe eye odds kakra ene ewo in the major leagues selected games as a ma ops no. Kwaku no time wasting. Yanko na yemfa dwumedi no NC.
Ala to your monitor yemra Sika Tokurom odds of the week. Your first pick Tottenham Hotspur ni Aston Villa. Yanko goals, yanko bibia over 8.5 corner kicks. 8.5 corner kicks you say. Corners ambakra 9 corners in that game. Your second pick Brighton Newcastle EPO affair and also over 8.5 corner kicks. 9 corner kicks expected. Burnley Leeds United. That teams you know boy a lot of long balls near there. They expected corners and so over 8.5. Then Fulham versus Arsenal away a London derby. But they are called away team Arsenal 2 up. It means that Arsenal will take a 2-goal lead in that game. So when take a 2-goal lead, Krana or we need 3-2, 4-2, 3-1. You are good to go. Barcelona, Girona, the other pick of the week. You are called home team 2 up. Barca disappointed here before international break on Sevilla, Olusu Porto. They went to Sanchez Pizjuan for one reason. But this time around, you be making redemption. You are called home team 2 up. Barca be taking 2-goal lead. Then BRL versus Real Betis, and also you are called over 8.5 corner kicks. Match I said earlier. Atletico Madrid and Sony Osasuna in the Spanish La Liga. You are called home team 2 up. In Tuka odds ni for 20 odds. You know. Where your picks for the week? You need betting platform I'll be also. But quickly, no screenshot, or fast shot now, or the two betting platform anymore. Okay, can you
do far? Or the baby are to be
over 20 odds. 20 odds. Into where your picks for the week? Tottenham Villa over 8.5, Brighton Newcastle over 8.5, Burnley Leeds over 8.5, Fulham Arsenal away team 2 up, Barcelona Girona home team 2 up.
Okay.
Villarreal Betis over 8.5 and then Atletico Madrid Osasuna home.
Thank you very much. Until where Sika Tokurom, I don't know. Yeah, the best by the young Korean weekend matches starting right the Ghana Premier League.
Yeah.
Midiama Sporting Club na and next Saturday 3 o'clock was the TNA Park Omani FC Samates, Dreams FC and Sobebo and Omani Nations FC Ochina Brekum Chelsea against Artefok. Oh, Mikrum Brekum. Bechem United about Vision FC. Hoho United, so any Adriana Football Club, my former club as a PRO. Swedo Oblak, so Everbo Baseke Holy Stars on Monday football, so a Gold Stars, Pondo out of Lions, and so a unbeaten run. 11 Wonders will be playing Karela United and Kumasi Asante. Don't forget, upset Omone a work into their game is postponed. And Tiabejinaso. Na yede nanso som no aba na wiye edini ye Dennis Asamoah with entire pandit ebeboa me Kwaku Asare ene Haji Dean enina eboa me yede usi ye besentia alatula makramo